Yeah, welcome back. Now, in the previous video, we were able to create our app to look to reach this point where we're able to display status from users. If we update, let's say update status, able to update, and you're able to see the status appear at the top. And all the data is stored in parse or back end. As you can refresh, we see 9 statuses from different users, and we have 5 users so far. Password is hidden, and very good backend. All right, so now let's look at how we are going, because from the look of our previous app, we want it to have an icon in this color like that, and we're going to see how to customize this later. But for now, let's just focus on this. Now to do this, we're going to simply go to, now we are done with the adapter for now, and we're going to close this, and then we're going to now layout, and that is in, actually it's in the homepage custom XML files. No, this is a different one. I was doing this earlier, so get rid of that. So we need this homepage custom layout, and this is where we're going to customize. So we want the username to have an icon on the left, so we're going to say drawable left, and I have some drawables that I'll show you first of all. Before I write this, I'll show you how to get drawables into your app. So drawables are images or anything that is drawn on the screen. That's how Android refers to them. So, and they're always located in the drawable HDPI, MDPI, XDPI, XXDPI. So this is where you'll find your images. If I click that, you'll see the default Android image. So this is where they're located. So it's in the resource folder in the drawable HDPI. So HDPI means high density pixels, and then medium, and then this is extra high density, and then this is extra high density. So if you have to create images, you have to make sure you create you use some tool I'm about to show you that will help you create custom. So to do this, the tool that I always like to use is called Android Asset Studio. So Android Asset Studio, you can create different kinds of icons and different kinds of images, generic icons, launcher icons, if you have a launcher icon. And for us, we don't have one, so we can decide we want to create here by clip art or something, and we'll be able to see the images appear here and targeting all the devices density pixels. So that is pretty cool. And for us, I purchased some Android icons. You could always use free resources as well. Icon Finder has good icons, but make sure you check the license before using anybody's icon in a commercial app. So, all right, I was going to show you how to, I was going to grab my drawables from my desktop, and they're Android icons, and I will grab assets, and in this one I want to have yellow dark color, and these are the drawables that I'm looking for. So what I will do is I will just grab all of them, and I will just drag them into the resource folder, and I'll be asked here if I want to move them. I'll say okay, and I should have my drawables in there now. So I can now get access to them by saying Android, and I say drawable left. So I want a drawable on the left side. You could put it on the right, doesn't matter. But for us, I want, and I'm going to use a drawable that is in called IC Action Picture. Okay, so looks like I don't have that yet. Looks like I did not gather all the icons for some reason. Did I just move them? Oh. Okay, you know what? It doesn't matter. I'll just use different colors. And I'll just copy this time. Make sure I copy, man. And then paste it. Hope this time yes, overwrite. And then now we should be having some images in there. Yes. Action should be able to pop up, and picture is what we're looking for. And if I run this, we should be able to see. I think I have an error here. Okay. Oh, there we have it. So as you can see, this is not what I'm looking for. I see action picture. I think it's I see action. Is it person? Okay, let me check through my drawables. So it's I see action user. Yes. So that's what we are looking for. And if I run it, let's just wait a second here. And there we have it. As you can see, it's starting to look beautiful. So that's how you add a drawable. If you want to add a drawable to the right, you can simply say drawable right. And just run that. And there you have it. Simple as that. So with this one, I just want it on the right, on the left. And as you can see, the test user text is kind of raised, it's higher. So fix that, I just simply say gravity and just say center vertical. So it's centered vertically. If I run that, we should have it centered vertically with the image. So that looks nice. And yeah, so we can start updating statuses. So there we have it. And it's a really good list. Scrolls, more list appears. And in the next video, we're going to start to look at how to start customizing the action bar. And I'm going to show you a tool that I use to import action bar graphics to make it different colors.